Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her favorites for October, fall favorites. I hope you guys are enjoying the month of October. I hope it's treating you well. I am here. I'm happy that we have a new season, new opportunities, new way of thinking, new way of processing. And I'm excited about it. I'm really, really excited. My favorite is only 5 items. It's not too much of a big thing. It was just some things that I just was really happy that I've used. This NARS primer, eyeshadow primer is amazing. It's a base to help keep your eyeshadows intact, and it's still there. It gives it a beautiful fresh look, and I love it. I love it very much. I used it today and it's amazing. Also, this Knit Fab liquid blush, I took this with me on a trip, and this was amazing. This was a beautiful color to have out there in Jamaica and also Georgia. It was a beautiful, beautiful thing to have, and very convenient. Also, the lip scrub watermelon, the family used it. It was very beneficial. It really helped out, and it was very refreshing to use. And it smells amazing. Amazing. So it's a lip scrub, watermelon, frizz and bubbles. Right. This e.l.f. in the cocoa, I used this all summer long. This was one of my favorites. This is what I have on right now, and it's just amazing. I love it. And I'm running out, so hopefully when I do get back on the website, they do still have this foundation available. And the last item will be the Profusion Sultry 24 eyeshadow shade. This is what I have on right now. This is amazing. I love it. The colors are amazing. Here are the colors. So it's perfect for fall. Very excited. Very, very enthused. And that, you guys, is my 5 favorites that I will continue on using for the month of October and also November. So I'm really thrilled to be using these items. Alright, you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.